to Brody, but the connection was in and out on account of the storm. Anyway, they said something about John.
I've been on the wire. The cops lost him, so they're good for now.
I hope so. I heard Carr and Lantano Mountain.
And Stacy?
As far as I could tell, they didn't know anything about her. But they hadn't reached Mitch yet,
I called for backup, but Mitch is low on the street.
Yeah, he would tip him off, let him know we were coming.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Kim, the cops have closed the highway.
And they're blocking all roads that lead up the mountain.
So we walk. Or steal a snowmobile. I mean, there has to be a way to get up that mountain. People live up there. People besides Mitch. They have to have a way to get up there in the snow. There's got to be a way.
I got a map in my car.
So go get it. Jeez, do I have to think of everything? Oh, your hands are cold. Yeah, go talk to him. Leave me alone.
Messenger?
Well?
I'm sorry, Messenger, but it appears that Stacy's labor has stopped. And frankly, I don't think that she's due for another 3 or 4 weeks.
How can that be? We know when she conceived. We know that my son never laid another finger on this little tramp after that one sordid incident.
Exactly, and that's what I told you. Rex is not this baby's father. You're not its grandfather. Thank God.
She's desperate. She'll say anything.
Enough. All right, young lady. Suppose you tell me everything that happened exactly as it happened and don't leave a thing out.
John, with all those sparks, if there's gasoline leaking, we're gonna blow up sky high.
Here, hold this. Put your hand right there.
You gotta save yourself, John.
Shut up and hold the jacket. So, what happened?
Okay. So the truth is, I did get pregnant with Rex's baby. But then my sister, Gigi, she came over the loft trying to harass me about having an abortion. What's this?
That's almost $300.
Almost $300? What do you expect me to do with this? This won't even cover a month's groceries, let alone rent an apartment.
Maybe not, but it's enough to make that pregnancy go away.
I lost the baby.
Well, if that's true, then why didn't you tell Rex that you had had a miscarriage?
I was going to, but I just couldn't. I mean, the baby was the only tie we had. Rex didn't really... I mean, he wasn't exactly convinced that he wanted to be with me, so he had to stick around because of the baby. Then I had the miscarriage, and losing the baby was hard enough, but to lose Rex too. And then my friend Kemi came in town, and she had this great idea. But he knew that if I could get pregnant, like, instantly I could make Rex believe that it was still his. I mean, the only problem is I wasn't going to get Rex to sleep with me, so Kemi and I came up with a list. So, who'll it be? Okay, boys. What year are you gonna make me pregnant with Rex's child? All I know is this isn't Rex's baby. I know you have big plans, and I'm sure you're disappointed, and I'm sorry. I really am. I would have given anything to have a baby with Rex. It didn't work out that way.
Go on.
What more do you want to know?
I want to know how you perpetuated this charade, if that's what it was.
And then you'll let us go?
Just tell me what happened next.
Sorry, my feet are freezing. Just wait up! Oh! Charlie!
So now that You know the truth. I mean, it's over, right? I mean, there's really no point in me being here.
Silence.
Assuming we believe her.
I said enough!
You believe me? Don't you?
Okay, we have a couple of possibilities.
No, those will all be closed.
What about the old logging trail?
If you've got a 4x4?
Ultraviolet has a 4x4.
Well, then let's go.
Wait up!
You are not coming with us, Kim.
But Stacy's my best friend.
And my psychopath of a father has kidnapped her. And my baby. God only knows what he's done to my sister.
But I could help.
No, it's too cold and too dangerous, and you cannot climb a mountain in those shoes.
We're wasting time.
Wait! Just bring her back safe, okay?
Look, I'm not stupid. I know you could check my story with the paternity test as soon as the baby's born, so there's no point in me lying to you. This baby isn't your grandchild. I think you know that.
Father, is that my baby?
Ow! Charlie, really, I can't walk much further. I think I've got frostbite.
Dress for a storm next time, why don't you?
Who knew?
Oh, wait, what is that?
What?
It's a light through the trees.
What else can it be? Mitch.
John, please, there's no time. Just get out of here before it's too late.
Shut up and help me. No one's going anywhere unless we go together.
Pick up. Sky, it's me. Call me when you get this. If you get this. I'm guessing your phone lost service, or maybe it died. Anyway, I'll see you when you get here. Soon, I hope.